This is what you receive when you order a Nissan GT-R rear diffuser from R35 Bodyshop. You have the bottom plate, the top plate, the 5 fins, and all the hardware. To install it, you may need a clip remover, a ratchet wrench, a 10 and a 12 mm socket, a drill, and a 2964 drill bit. You first need to remove the 5 clips underneath your OEM rear diffuser, the 10 mm bolt at the back right there, and then the 4 12 mm bolt each side. This is where you need to use your drill and enlarge the clips hole a little bit. And then push the provided rev nuts inside the holes. To make this step easier, you can use your bolt and screw it a few turns into your rev nut and use it to push into the holes. Before assembling the rear diffuser, notice that on the top plate there is a top and a bottom side, and the top side has chamfer for the screws. Use those small screws and your hex key to install the top plate over the bottom plate. Then insert the fins inside the diffuser. Make sure that every holes of the plate are aligned with the holes inside the fins. Tight down every fins with the provided screws and hex key. Flip it around and install the screws at the bottom of it. When you're finished assembling the diffuser, you just have to peel the protective film over the fins, and then you're ready to install it on the car. On this part, you will need your X key and your patience, as you need to add the spacers between the plate and the bottom of the car. It's a little bit tricky as you don't want the spacers to go too far back. We recommend using your hex key to help you guide the spacer with the hole. You can use the provided hex key to screw the M8 bolts, or a ratchet with an extension and the proper socket, as we designed a notch in the bottom plate to give a nice access. Finally, make sure everything is tight and installed properly.